Hey guys, it's Jason. I want to start making a mechanic episode, like a series. I want to call it doing what takes them months in a day. So basically my bike that I have or something like it can watch my videos and see how to do it. And it just gives me something to do, something to edit, something to post. And I think that you guys will enjoy it. I will enjoy doing it. And let's hope I get some more episodes out here. Here's episode 1. I hope you guys like it and enjoy. So it's the first repair on the 636. Let's hope it's not a pain in the ass, but here we got a new valve cover gasket. I'm be using this. See how good this is. And if it's not good, then I'll just have to take it off and put a new one. But let's unwrap her. So the bike's out now. I'm gonna give her a little wipe down. So first thing you're gonna do is come here. Open your seat. Should be pretty easy. Take this part off. I have mine held on with a wire. Take that wire out. Back it in. Hold the seat. Put the seat off. So it's this. Alright, let's start taking this one out. So bolt number 1 out. Take off. The other one we have to take off. Right there. Cut that one out. So now I should just be able to lift it and then unplug those, and then I'll get back to you guys. So now we got it off, and now we need to get into the thing we're doing is we're taking off this air box. So I'm gonna start from up here and get this thing out. Can't do anything. Turns out that there are little, where are they? I don't know if you can see it. Right there. Right there. Where is it? Right there. Little screws. Well, little things you need to undo. Well, there's the air box removed. Here's both of those. So now we need to get to this, which is probably going to be a real big pain in the ass, but these look very, very clean. Let's get this off and situate it. Sorry for the late checkups, but it's just normal. Unplug everything in your way. You have to take out the spark plugs. I already took out these bolts, so now I'm just taking out the spark plugs. I'm going to pull the cover off and then replace it, put everything back on, and then we should be good. So after not wanting to take these off, I had to anyway, to pull it out. And now we need to get this old one off. My hands are all scratched up, messed up. Wiring, putting this thing back together is going to be a pain, but at least we got it out. So let's change it. Okay, got everything. Now we just need to put sealer right here, 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 and here. So I went overkill. As you can tell, it's all silicone seal. My stupid thing broke. Look at this, guys. Never get this. Look, I'm gonna be using this. See how good this is. And if it's not good, then I'll just have to take it off and put a new one.